So if you realise you've got no power and your RCD's down, you need to try turn it back on. If for whatever reason it trips out, you need to turn off each individual fuse, turn on your RCD and turn it on one by one like that. If you turn it off, if you turn this fuse back on and it trips, you need to isolate that circuit, turn it back on, see what circuit it is. If it's any socket circuits, check you've got no appliances plugged in, do that test, then once you've done that, come back in, turn it on. If it's still continuing to trip, give repairs a call.